Today we're doing SA2 paper set number 20 for 2016 paper. I'll just do the paper 2. I'll just do the last two questions that needs a very long working. So hope it will be helpful. If you need any other help, that is inside the paper, but I didn't post it up, right? So maybe you can just leave a message or private message me. I can do it for you. Okay, let's look at question number 17. 4 children, Abby, Ben, Chris, Dennis, share some storybooks. Abby received 20% less than Ben, while the remaining storybooks were shared between Chris and Dennis in the ratio 7:5. Given that Dennis received 25%, this is important because we need to compute the whole. Dennis is 25% of Abby. So you can see this is 1:4, right? Okay, what fraction of the total storybook did Chris receive? So we may need to draw the whole thing first. I think in this case we can use ratio, but if you're comfortable with more models, do go ahead. I think the answer sheet at the back is using model. I would prefer to use ratio, so I'll do it like as if I'm a student. So you see, when you read, right, first line, Abby received 20% less than Ben. So I will do Abby, Ben, right? Okay. So if Abby is 20% less, if let's say if Abby is 8, Ben will be 10. Does it make sense? Right? 100%, 80%. Okay. The remaining shared by Chris and Dennis, I can't write it down here, 7.5, but I can fulfill this. Given that Dennis received 25% of Abby. Okay, now I'm going to continue. If Dennis is 25% of Abby, 25% of 8, so 8 divided by 4, you get 2, right? You get what I mean? Okay, so now I get 2. Now I got the 3 of them. Now I have to fulfill the 7.5. How can you make 7 and 5 the same? So you follow? You can take their LCM. 2 and 5 times, you get 10. Times 2 times 2. How do you get 10? Times 5, right? Times 5. Times 5. I prefer them to be in equal proportion. Okay, and from here you can reduce to lowest term. Is it okay? Because I have students asking me that when they look at the answer sheet at the back, they do not understand how the person get 20, 25, 7. You know, they don't understand the mode. So actually, I'm placing one by one. All right? Placing down the number. It just follow the sentence. But you start with what you know first, A and B. Then there's nothing you can do with 7 and 5. You relate D to A first. Then you plug in the 7 and 5. So you see, Dennis is the same person. So 2 and 5 is supposed to be same number. So you make them LCM. From there, you work it on, and then reduce lowest term. What fraction of the total storybook did Chris receive? Chris is C, right? He got 7. What is the total? So you got 7 out of 57. Alright? That's all. 7 out of the total. So you add everything together. What percentage of AB storybook must be given to Dennis so that they have the same number? How to make them same number? Same number. 20 plus 5 is 25. Right? How to make them same number? Divide by 2. You get 12 and a half. You get 12 and a half. So that means Abby must give 7.5. Right? 7.5 units. Sorry, I missed out the unit. Yeah, put the unit, okay, because they means nothing. They're not really the books or what, not the actual number, okay, so it can be half. So he needs to give 7.5. Now, I gotta use the matching method. If this is 100%, right? Abby, they say what percentage of Abby after off is 100%, right? So 20 is 100%. Abby need to give 7.5, right hand, divide by left hand, times bottom number, 37.5%. Done. Question number 18. Mr. Wong sold 4 times as many iPad as laptop. Collected a total of 8,400. Total, huh? Each laptop cost 325 more than an iPad. The amount collected for iPad sold was 3,480 more than the amount collected for the laptop sold. Now look at this amount. You collected 3,480 more for iPad. The total amount is 8,400. So if you can link this number and this number, did you realize that it looks like this? You collected 8,400 and this is 3,480 more. iPad, laptop. Okay, laptop, iPad, more, right? So you gotta do, find how much you collected for your laptop first. Alright, this is like a problem 4, so I hope the first part is alright. So you know this is 2,460, 2,460, 3,480. Sorry, I didn't draw very well because I didn't know the amount initially. Alright, so now you know that your iPad is to laptop. I know the answer at the back is very simplified. So a lot of people, you don't really know what's going on. So never mind, you do your style, okay? You do your style. It doesn't have to be clean cut, because if you don't know means you don't know. Now look at this. How much? You got 2,460 for your laptop. 460, you got 3,480. For iPad, you collect more, right? 5,940. Am I right? Now, do you remember the first part? They said that he sold 4 times as many iPad is to laptop. So this is actually 1 unit. 1 unit is 2,460, right? Okay. So what is the 1 unit for my iPad? What is the 1 unit for my iPad? Alright? So what I do, you take, that is how the person derived 5,940. Okay? Now, what you can do, you can divide by 4. Did you realize that you get 1,485? 1,485. Now, look at this. This is 1 unit for laptop is 2,460. Now, why the difference? Very simple. Because the laptop costs 325 more. So of course, laptop, even if you sell the same number of laptop to the same number of iPad, you should collect more for laptop. Am I right? So you see, I divide by 4 because I'm trying to find the 1 unit for my iPad. So now you have to use set off. Remember set off? Now 1 laptop costs 325 more than 1 iPad. Now, how much more do I have now? 2,460. I minus 1,485. How much more? 2, 0. I get 975 more. So this is under set off. I don't know how many set. So look at that. 325. Yeah, 325 is 1 set. What Well, you can do this, or you just take 975 divided by 325. It's okay, you know. We'll still mark you correct. How many sets? 3, 2, 5. You get 3 sets. 3 sets of what? 3 sets of whatever we're talking about here. So how many laptops did Mr. Wong sell? 1 set of this, you get 4 iPad, 1 laptop. So 3 sets will be 12 iPad, 3 laptop. So they only 1 laptop. So 1 set is 1. So I have 3 sets of 1. I'll get 3 laptops. Cool? I hope this helped. You can either private message me, or you can email, or just leave a message at the bottom, you know. I will read them. I'll try to help you if it's still not clear, because I know the answer sheet is really too simplified. So a lot of people don't, especially if you don't have a tutor, you have no one helping you, and then you're helping yourself at home, right? If you don't really get it, I hope this video can help you. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.